Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic, unveiling some incredible tips and tricks that will help you make the most out of this fantastic wearable. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech content. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the new folders. The Galaxy Watch 6 now has the ability to create folders and group your apps right on the watch. This can be useful to find your apps quickly instead of having to scroll through searching. To create folders, open your app drawer, press down on the app, and drag and drop it on top of another app. You can then select the color of the folder that you would like to use by using the bezel. Now let's take a look at the new battery tile. You can now add a tile to your watch that shows the battery level of your phone, watch, and other supported devices, such as a pair of Galaxy Buds. Tip number 3 is the ability to add multiple timers. You can now add new multiple timers using a tile on your watch. This tile allows you up to 3 stored timers, so you can use these as needed. I use this for keeping track of reminders throughout my day as well as when I'm cooking. To set the tile, scroll all the way to the end on the watch, add new tile, and select multiple timers. That's it. Tip number 4. When it comes to the Galaxy Watch 6, we have the option of 2 assistants. Bixby, which is Samsung's assistant and has gotten much better over time, or the all-favorite Google Assistant. You can select the assistant you would like to use and then dedicate a button on the watch to access when needed. To enable this feature, swipe down from the top of the watch, select Settings, then scroll down to Advanced Features and select. Scroll down until you see Customize Buttons and select. Select Double Press, and then you can simply scroll and select which assistant you would like to use. And our last tip, don't forget that your Galaxy Watch 6 has easy access to quick settings that can be accessed by easily swiping down from the top of your screen. Did you know you can drag and drop quick settings right on your watch now? And there you have it, folks. 5 essential tips and tricks to make the most out of your Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic. Whether it's organization, productivity, or staying connected on the go, this smartwatch has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Galaxy Watch users. And if you have any other tips and tricks you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.